Welcome to this essential lesson on net worth calculation. Understanding your net worth is one of the most important steps in taking control of your financial future. Net worth is the difference between what you own and what you owe. It gives you a clear snapshot of your overall financial health at any given moment. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your current situation, knowing how to calculate and track your net worth is crucial for making informed financial decisions. Let's start with the fundamental formula. Net worth equals assets minus liabilities. This simple equation tells you everything about your financial position. Assets are everything you own that has value, while liabilities are all the debts and obligations you owe. When you subtract your total liabilities from your total assets, the result is your net worth. This number can be positive or negative, and it represents your true financial standing. Think of it as your financial scorecard that shows how much wealth you've accumulated over time. Assets are the foundation of building wealth. Real estate and property include your home, rental properties, or land you own. Cash and bank accounts encompass your savings accounts, checking accounts, and any cash you have on hand. Investments and stocks include your retirement accounts, brokerage accounts, mutual funds, and individual stocks. Vehicles and valuables consist of cars, jewelry, art, collectibles, and other personal property with significant value. All of these contribute positively to your net worth. The key is to accurately assess the current market value of each asset. Liabilities represent your financial obligations and debts. Mortgages and home loans are typically the largest liability for most people, representing the amount still owed on property. Credit card debt includes all outstanding balances on your credit cards, which often carry high interest rates. Student loans are educational debts that many carry for years after graduation. Auto loans and personal debt include car financing, personal loans, and any other money you've borrowed. These liabilities reduce your net worth, which is why managing and reducing debt is crucial for financial health. Let's walk through a practical example to see how this works. Imagine someone has total assets worth $500,000. This could include a home valued at $300,000, investments worth $150,000, and cash and other assets totaling $50,000. Now, suppose their total liabilities amount to $200,000, perhaps a mortgage balance of $150,000 and other debts of $50,000. Using our formula, we subtract $200,000 from $500,000, giving us a net worth of $300,000. This positive number indicates healthy financial standing. Net worth can be either positive or negative, and understanding both is important. Positive net worth occurs when your assets exceed your liabilities. This is the goal for everyone and indicates financial stability and wealth accumulation. The higher your positive net worth, the more financial security you have. Negative net worth happens when your liabilities exceed your assets, meaning you owe more than you own. This situation is common for young people just starting out or those facing financial challenges. The good news is that negative net worth can be improved through careful planning and disciplined financial management. Tracking your net worth regularly provides several important benefits. First, it helps you measure financial progress over time, showing whether you're moving in the right direction. Second, it allows you to identify financial weaknesses, such as excessive debt or insufficient savings, so you can address them. Third, it enables you to set realistic financial goals based on your current position and desired future state. Finally, tracking net worth helps you make better financial decisions by giving you a clear picture of how choices impact your overall wealth. Many financial experts recommend calculating your net worth at least once every 3 months. Now that you understand net worth, here's how to get started. First, list all your assets and liabilities with their current values. Be thorough and honest in your assessment. Second, calculate your net worth by subtracting total liabilities from total assets. Third, review your net worth quarterly to track progress and identify trends. Regular monitoring keeps you accountable and motivated. Finally, create a growth strategy focused on increasing assets and reducing liabilities. This might include paying down high-interest debt, increasing savings, or investing wisely. Remember, improving your net worth is a marathon, not a sprint. Small, consistent actions compound over time to create significant wealth.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.